So as you can see, the walls bland, and I just want to do something about that. You know, I thrive better in spaces that look better and make me feel better. Hello, welcome to this video. Today I am going to go on a little reset. So here's the real deal, the real spiel. I don't really know what I want to do with the walls. My brother told me to put up some plants, and I feel that vibe as well. I'm gonna kind of look around for frames and stuff, because I think on this wall back here, I want to do like a little ode to film. If you don't know me, I love film. I love all things amazing shows, good cinema, to me, because not everyone's, you know. On this wall, I don't know what I'm going to do. I might get a little shelf situation to put over here though. I'm thinking about that now. That would be actually very cute to take up the space. So I'm going to go pick up my cousin because she's joining me. It's 11:21. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. If you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. I think I said also, but we're gonna check out Home Goods / Marshalls and Target. Guys, not the way my camera is literally overheating because it's sitting up here on this thing. But I wanted to show y'all my nails, look. Just got here to pick up Brooklyn. I'm waiting for her to get in the car, and then the mic, we're gonna just play it until it overheats, you know? I'm gonna go to Home Goods. Home Goods, it's literally like right here. And I feel like this is a good one. This is that good Home Goods. Ooh, yeah, this is that good one. I'll ever just feel the need for change and feel like, you know, your spaces are more inspiring if they're like clean. Like, I need to clean my car right now because I feel like my car is so dirty, to be honest. So I don't really have any ideas for real, but I'm gonna show the inspo. I'm really trying to just like add some flavor, some oomph to my home, or to like my shared home, because you guys know I live at home with my parents. But I do want to add some like greenery. I want to add some cuteness, you know, look at where I can get some like black empty frames type thing. Hello T. Hi Bricky.
Hello YouTube.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. I told them that I'm going decor shopping because my environment is bleak. It's blue.
It's bleak.
It's giving beige baddie. It's giving we've lost hope. So this was supposed to be a good old little mic'd up with me and Brooklyn as we're going through the Home Goods. I don't know what happened to the audio in the section, but as you can see, we were checking it out. When we got into the Home Goods, we were thoroughly not really impressed because there wasn't a lot of fall and or Halloween things. We did pick up a couple of little spooky things that I found, as well as some little fall things. We looked around, and like I said, the options just weren't really great. I don't know if it was just this time, but usually this Home Goods is super good, which I was talking and ranting and raving about in the car. But, you know, sometimes it fails. Here's Brooklyn being Ebenezer Scrooge, but about all that, that's it. And we went on to the next day of activities. So I'm gonna try this again. Basically, as you guys saw when Brooke and I went, it was a flop. So I have gotten the motivation in my spirit after so much defeat to go and try again. So we're gonna go to At Home. That's over closer to where I am, and I'm just going solo today. These are so cute, but they're $25. What's crazy is I thought that it would be like dumbly busy, but it's literally not at all. I'm looking for fall stuff as well as I'm looking for just like decorative stuff for like the house.
and for my room type beat, you know? I see this super cute pillow. I don't see a price. There's this thing of pillows here, but there's no price for real. Oh, it's $20. Oh, I don't know about that one. Okay, so listen. I'm thinking that I want to do like a little photo wall by my mom's, like in between me and my brother's thing, because we're going to do one over the fireplace, and I feel like that'll be enough, right? So I think if I get like a big focus frame, I'm thinking if I get this one that's like a tree, right? It's like $34. Okay, so it's a tree, right? And then hear me out, I'm at a loss. In order to express myself, I kind of want to throw up a little movie wall, you know, because I really like watching movies and all that stuff. And I want to get some posters, but I'd probably have to get them printed. They have some for $14 here, and it's low-key really good quality. For $15, 4 of those is like $60. And I think that I want to do The Dark Knight, Interstellar, and I think I want to do like a Christopher Nolan ode wall. So 3 for $60 is kind of not good, actually. Okay, so again, I forgot a mic, so I'm using my phone, but I'm basically showing you guys everything that I got from Home Goods. No, I'm lying. That I got from At Home and from... where else did I go? Marshall's. I guess I'll just start with At Home because that's where I went yesterday. So I got this pillow for the couch, right? Just these red and orange pillows. So the goal is to basically have stuff that I can transition into not only Halloween but also into fall. I'm trying to take my room, or go in my room with like a bohemian kind of effect, but also with pops of white and black in it, because that's stuff that I can use like no matter how I want to change my room. I got this for my bed. Doesn't it just look cute, right? This again is for my room. I got these like drapes, but I got these 2 things. I'm planning to put these on. I'm planning to put these on like the little entertainment center next to a candle. It just looks like this, right? Oh, look at y'all. Anyway, it looks like this. So I got these picture frames, right? So here's the goal. These picture frames are gonna go with, it's gonna be too this. A toilet brush. I got a toilet brush for my toilet because I don't have one and I don't know where mine went. I got this candle for my room. It smells so good. I want to start, you know, using my matcha station more, as well as my coffee little area in the house. So I got this Torani vanilla bean syrup. Got lavender. I got these to go in my bathroom on that glass tray that I showed you. So I got these tongue scrapers. These are so cute, and I can't wait to use these in like little winter curly hairstyles. This apple butter or apple honey butter candle. This smells super good too. It kind of just smells like home. I don't know how to explain that, but it smells like home. And then like, look at how nice these complement each other. I really love for my room to be kind of, you know, fun and quirky and have little parts of me in it. And so I got some new sheets that remind me of like fall time, but also like they could just be on my bed because they're cute. And it's this pattern right here. Look at how cute that is. I'm gonna go disperse this stuff out around the house now, and I'm gonna let y'all see the final little touches of the final little touches of this decoration vlog.